Welcome back guys, this is Techie Rick. Today Oppo Reno 4 Pro unboxing and review Reno 4 Pro. Last 2 days more I'm using this device. How is it my experience? This device worth to buy? Everything review in this video, so guys don't skip the video. Box front side big Reno name, right side branding, back side one small sticker, barcode and mobile information, not a spec sheet. Okay, first peel up the plastic, then look box inside contents. Box front side very shiny look. Okay, don't waste your time. First open the box, look inside content. Inside of the box front side, one length mini box here. On front side Oppo branding and mini box inside. Some paperwork and SAR value information guide here. Yeah, nothing more inside the box. More box front side mobile phone here. It's covered on plastic. It is not a normal version. It is glowing version phone. Yeah, it's glowing version. Later I'm look the phone side by side. Maybe you like this phone back pattern. Yeah, I really love it. Okay, let's look box inside content. More free case. It is not a hard case. It is lace case. Quality is not bad. Anyways, give you free case. More 65 watts SuperVOOC fast charging adapter. Then free headphone. Finally, Type-C cable. Overall box inside all contents here. Oppo not skip free headphone. It is Type-C headphone, not 3.5 mm jack headphone, because no headphone jack here on this phone. Okay, first remove the plastic. Okay, see guys, phone back pattern. Wow, it's really cool, right? This phone back made in glass, not a plastic. It is not shiny back, it is matte finished back. Look like same iPhone 11 Pro and OnePlus 8 style matte finish. I really love this pattern. Do you like guys? Do you like shiny back or this type matte finish style? Comment now. I really hate this giant Reno Glow brand. Phone thickness and camera bump not big compared to this segment mobile phones. Okay, first overview the phone side by side. First look the phone display. Display come with 6.55 inches Full HD plus resolution AMOLED display with HDR10 plus panel. This display support 90Hz refresh rate. Phone top left corner side tiny punch hole inside 32 megapixel front facing camera. It's curved finishing display. Out of the box phone running on Android 10 based in ColorOS 7. This device processors Snapdragon 765G. It is mid-range 5G processor. Nowadays, this processor run all games quite good. This processor one more advantage. This phone support all games maximum level settings and play at same time Hand of the King and PUBG run one by one on phone background. I'm switch one game to other game. It's quite good, no struggle. It's not bad. Yeah, it's mid-range 5G processor run quite good. First look PUBG gaming settings. This processor support HD and Ultra in PUBG. It's really cool because now the day Snapdragon 765G support HD and Ultra only this device. Other device not support. Okay, once again testing the heating. I'm totally played 2 hours more. Heating display side 38, bottom side 36. Overall it's not high. Snapdragon 765G manage phone heat issues. Let's look camera. Phone backside triple camera setup here. Main camera 48 megapixel, secondary 30 megapixel telephoto lens, 2x optical zoom, last to 112 megapixel ultra wide. Let's look camera. Camera wise, this device support super steady mode and macro also. See guys, the quality. Yeah, macro also working good. No macro lens here on this device, but ultra wide support macro. It's really good, not bad. Okay, just I am zooming. See guys, the quality. It's up to support 20x digital zoom. Quality is not bad. Cool. Wait, just look the video department. Video wise, this device support up to 4K 30 FPS per second. Slow motion 960 FPS support also. One more, this device main highlight, super night mode. How does it work? Without flash, only live capture. Just look. Left side Oppo Reno 4 Pro, right side Huawei P40 Pro. Yeah, without take shot, just only view with macro lens. Reno 4 it's not bad.